What's the meaning of captive? Captive. Captive.
Captive. Captive. Captive refers to the state of being held prisoner or confined against one's will. It can also describe a person or animal that is kept in captivity for various purposes like research, entertainment, or breeding. Being captive can cause feelings of helplessness, frustration, and fear, and can have negative effects on physical and mental health. It is important to ensure that captive animals are provided with proper care and living conditions to minimize their suffering. Additionally, efforts should be made to prevent human beings from falling victim to situations where they are held captive without consent.